Hello everyone, this is Shamik from mychinabazar.com. Over here we have come to a steel factory, a high carbon steel factory. What you get to see me behind are the wards of the steel factory. You get to see these are 320 millimeter thickness. The size is 320 millimeter thickness size with a length of 6 meters to 5.8 meters. Variety of high carbon steel are over here. You get to see over here steel of EN 24, EN 16, EN 8 series. This is a very good company over here. They are producing, they are the sole manufacturers of this steel. For Indian steel owners and the steel manufacturers, you can contact My China Bazaar, and we are providing this very good quality steel. You can see the finish of the steel. You can see the finish of the steel. It's quite a lustrous one. The finish is quite a better one. You get to see, and this kind of steel, it's a very high demand in India. These are proper finishing also over here, and we personally take care of the production over here. We are with the company owners. We are taking care so that the proper clients can get this kind of stuffs in a much good price. We are also take care about the price of the product. This is a much valuable product yeah, of EN series and AAISI series. The various lengths from 320 millimeter to 240 millimeter are over here.